So I had a problem with my dishwasher and I found out what the problem was. It's here, piece of glass, and it was stuck in this dishwasher. It looks like this on the inside. It's a Whirlpool dishwasher. I'll put in the description the model number. First of all, I was looking at this thing. Apparently it's some kind of food chopper or something. I think that's a recirculation pump. Don't waste your time there. I then also tried to take out the thing using these 4 screws. Here and here. Don't bother doing that either. What you need to do is you don't even need to pull out the dishwasher like I did. I've got a lot of work now to put it back in. You just need to go in here. Underneath the dishwasher you'll find a plate which looks like this. You just need to undo the 4 Torx screws, and to do that you could just get one of these screwdrivers. I got this from Robert Dias. I think it was less than a fiver, and it has a Torx bit which looks like this. I'm going to focus on this iPhone thing. Not very good. Come on. Anyway, you get the picture. That's what Torx screws. And the problem was it was inside this pump. The dishwasher's not very old. It's about 4, maybe 5 years old. And the pump was located on here. You can see the pump housing. And to undo it, you just need to see there's a clip thing here. Ooh. This thing. You need to push that down, and then you just twist the pump off. Don't forget to take off the electrical connection, and it's probably a good idea to switch it off at the mains beforehand. And then yeah, a little tiny bit of water will come out. I use this sort of aquatic vacuum cleaner to suck the water out from the drain hose, which is now clipped up to back into the plumbing now. It's that thing. Yeah, let me point it to you. Yeah. So now all I need to do is put my pump back, push the dishwasher back in, and I'm pretty sure it will all be fine again. So good luck.